United States Capitol, located in Washington, D.C. The Capitol is the meeting place of the United States Congress. It sits atop Capitol Hill, which is located at the east end of National Mall. Construction began September 18, 1793. The Capitol is built in the distinctive American neoclassical style with a white marble exterior. And just imagine how much marble was used to create a building such as this. Here we go. Here is the model. My tippy top is a little messed up, probably because I suck at making models or transportation. But here is the model. Side view, top view. The back view. Here we go. Angled view. Never been. Very nice desk piece. Or any office, really. Thank you for watching. Bye.